Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Here on this video we're going to discuss what you need to know about nDash freelance platform for content writers only. So let's move to nDash website and see what it's all about. So I'll tell you the exact thing that you need to understand about this nDash platform. So nDash is a content platform where both brands and writers sign up to connect on writing projects. The platform strives to separate itself from other similar freelancing websites by thoroughly vetting its writers and facilitating transparency between the clients and the writers. In other words, nDash emphasizes obtaining quality writers and developing strong client-writers relationship. Unlike content mills, you won't be competing against countless other writers only to earn pennies for your valuable time. The platform is structured to attract brands that are willing to pay for quality content only. The sign up and verification process. nDash actually have a strong writers, so there is a bit of hook jumping involved to get full access to everything this platform offer. So I will walk you through how you can sign up an account with nDash, and of course I will share you more info that you need to know about nDash. But before we move to signing or creating an account on nDash, so I'll tell you some other stuffs that you need to understand about nDash, such as finding projects, establishing of rates, working with buyers or clients, and the support and how to get paid as well. So I'll tell you their conditions and other stuff as well. So let's get into how it works. So once you have set up and created your account on nDash, you get access to all the brand profile and job opportunities. nDash claims that about 60% of the paid assignments start as a writer pitch. Realistically, I wouldn't be surprised if the figure was even higher than that. So to make the most of the platform, you will definitely need to get your pitch on. There is a browse assignment. Of course, once you sign up, you will see that. So you will see company request idea pitch or specific assignment that have been given to you. However, of course, you might find there is usually many brands activity posting this open assignment, which means you may need to rely more on the platform other features for securing works. So the rate as well, the good news is you get to set your own rates, so you put what you'll be charging by yourself. So they pay per quality of the content that you write. You definitely won't be quoting rates to the bottom. So rates to win writing jobs. So, and of course you understand the fact that you are not the only one selling on this platform, so the rates will be kind of like competitive, so as other sellers or other writers are also sending their request as well. So nDash website states that the average assignment range from $150 to $450, and of course you found the buyer that will definitely be willing to work with you. Of course, that's true. So no matter how your price is kind of like high. So definitely you see someone that will like to work with you as long as you are offering uh, quality content. So about getting paid with nDash, all writers on nDash are paid through Stripe. So once the client approves the job that you will automatically receive a payment within 2 to 5 days, business days. So the payment you receive will be the exact amount you agree upon with the buyer or client. nDash take its service fee from the brand, not the writer. So, and of course, you may prefer paying through PayPal. So, but currently now they are only using Stripe to make a payment, and of course, you can use Pioneer so if you have. So let me walk you through on how to set up an account on nDash. So you go in here and click on the sign up for free. So I got my account here already, so I'll just guide you through. So you click on this and do writer, as you are a content writer and you want to write or help company in writing quality content. So you click on writer, then you put your first name here, so your last name here, so then your email here. So once you put everything there, so then you put your desired password in here. So once you click everything and make sure everything is perfect, then you click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, then a link will be sent to your email to confirm the link, and once you confirm the link, you'll be redirected to login. So redirected to login. So then you can come here. After confirming the link, you can come here, and then your details will be here. So you click on login. So here is the page that you will see. So these are the bars, the sidebars. So if you have clients that you are working with already, definitely you'll be able to see the buyer here, the companies. So you have to set up your profile completely before this page can be opened. So these are the things that you need to set up, such as about experience, industry topic, content writers, my writing samples, and of course, so profile from LinkedIn, Stripe Connect. So those are the things you need to do. So, and of course, you can post some samples of the project that you have done so far. So let's wait for this page to load. So you see this page, you can create free content. So pinch industries, which some buyers that you are working with. So everything will be shown here. So you can navigate to any category, any page here that you want. So you can connect your Stripe account here, fill up everything that is required. So that's it. Also, I would like to tell you that once you find a brand you match well with, it can often become a source of ongoing work, which that kind of buyer can be coming to you every time they need content. So good staff support, as they will definitely reply anytime you have an issue, maybe with buyer or with the platform itself. So of course, this Stripe account, you must have a Stripe account before you can be getting paid. So if you are new writer and you don't have any writing samples or experience, definitely it may be harder to get verified. Not many brands are actively seeking content, which means you will need to do a little more of the legwork when finding and pinching brand on the platform. So you just need some samples, content samples, maybe some previous job that you have done so far. So those are samples that the buyers will definitely look into before they can hire you. And of course, this is the customer support. You can chat them anytime they are available. So you can see this here. These are some frequent asked questions, so which might also help you. Maybe you are confused or looking for anything. So that's that. I just believe this video help you. Probably you have been going through on how to work on nDash and you don't know, or maybe you don't trust or something. So I believe this video will help. Thank you.